Rainbow premium workmanship and high quality LCD, in cell, 350 CD/1:1 original size. 3D touch, stable and sensitive. High brightness, high color saturation, high resolution, more clarity, restore the original color. Water dripping and splashing resistance. Anti-oil, anti-fingerprint, make your phone look as clean as new. High strength to resist sharp objects, avoid scratches, explosion proof, reduce the risk of broken screen. Super smooth and sensitive touch, more fluid experience, perfect feeling, mobile phone compatibility and application. The iPhone 8 Plus LCD screen replacement only fit for iPhone 8 Plus, 5.5-inch, model A1864, A1897, A1898. Not for iPhone 8, 7, 6. It doesn't include home button, front camera, and earpiece and sensors components, so please swap them out from your old screen. With full perspective, wide color gamut, you can use it with sunglasses. It's used to replace the cracked, defective, faulty, dead, broken screen, touch response issues, abnormal pixels, malfunctioning LCD smiling face with smiling eyes. Easy to install and designed for you. The iPhone 8 Plus screen includes all things you will need during repairing. You do not need to spend more money to buy. You only need to remove other parts from original screen to install on the new screen. You can watch the installation video on our details page. The installation